Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojane Senkunku. I'm the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals and energy. I'm Lura Kwachita, international petroleum, minerals, energy, attorney, expert and a diplomat of the United Nations. As everybody knows that I'm official, the Secretary General of United Nations. I'm the first non-Masonic, the first non-married with a female, and the first elect under universal vote, universal election. So the myth and the legend won more than 15 overturned election and won, the election was validated. Donc, je suis le professeur Lojane Senkunku, le premier docteur en droit international du pétrole, des minerais, de l'énergie. Je suis procureur international des affaires pétrolières, minières et énergétiques des Nations Unies, permanent, ce qu'on appelle Lura Kwachita, permanent. Donc, acquis permanent, tant qu'il y aura des problèmes de pétrole, je serai toujours, mon doctorat ne pourrit jamais. Et puis, je ne suis pas le résumé de mon doctorat. J'ai encore un magazine, pendant des années après la soutenance de la thèse, j'ai développé beaucoup de choses dans le domaine des énergies. Donc, et je suis le premier secrétaire général des Nations Unies élu au suffrage universel, parce que mes prédécesseurs étaient juste recrutés. Mais moi, on m'a dit non, vous devrez passer par l'élection, et j'ai gagné plus de 17 750. Nous avons arrêté de compter à 17 750 élections, et nous avons gagné. C'est validé par les membres de l'ONU, c'est validé par la directrice générale des Nations Unies, Madame Dr Tatiana Valoyova, qui est russe. C'est validé par les responsables des Nations Unies, c'est validé par les peuples, c'est validé par la RDC, le Grand Congo, et c'est validé par tout le monde. Donc il n'y a pas de discussion. Et nous sommes le 10e donc secrétaire général des Nations Unies après Antonio Guterres, qui est le 9. Today we are August 12, 2025, and we are at Geneva. Okay, we don't have any color of Freemasonry. We don't wear red, pink, and everything. We don't have it. Okay, if any woman claim that today were August 12, 25th, if any woman claim that I have a secret relationship, secret marriage, this woman must be arrested. If any man claim that I'm gay, this man insult a million of people of Congo that have this value, and a million of black that have this value. So insult, this person is sentenced to death permanently. Everywhere he will go, he must be killed. I came, as you know, that August 9, they poisoned me. So they poisoned me. Each time they poison me, you see more dark, okay? More dark. I was not like this. More dark because my skin fight. Je viens ici pour vous rassurer que je suis très fort, vous rassurer que la haine, on va voir jusqu'où la haine et le racisme va aboutir. Donc on va voir ça. J'ai été empoisonné, bel et bien empoisonné, empoisonné le 3052e poison. Ok, 52e poison. On va voir où le racisme va aller. Mais moi, je ne dois ni à la Suisse, ni aux Blancs, ni aux Noirs. Je ne leur dois rien. J'ai été à l'école. I don't owe anyone. So I was in the school. I went to school to study LNBME, you know, give birth. And God chose her. God chose that her son is blessed. He will be granted with intelligence above all intelligence. So I don't want to take a fake story for anyone, but you're coming to poison me. And the order who are August 9, in the order that you schedule appointment in the hospital with the Mossad doctor is a woman, because I defend woman. You want to use a woman to kill me, so that I will hate woman. No, that is not me. You cannot manipulate me like that. I'm the first, you cannot manipulate it. So that's what you have to know. Mais je suis venu vous rassurer que malgré le 30, malgré le 30, le 3052e poison, je suis en bonne santé. Je suis en bonne santé et je veux continuer à me battre. Je ne serai jamais corrompu. I never will betray people. I never betray people. Even if those wrong me, those date me, those when I work for the White House, I never betray the White House. When I left, I never signed a contract of loyalty because I'm international. When you have me, I'm always a passenger. I always travel. Even if you cannot hold the shushu of God, that's what you have. No, you cannot hold the shushu of God. That's what you have to know. So that hate and all program that you poison me, I go to the hospital to be hospitalized, fail, completely fail. And today we are August 12, 2025. You can see me only the skin fight poison remain. Monseigneur, les gens peuvent me critiquer parce que je suis libéral. Ok, je suis libéral. Je suis le plus grand démocrate du monde. Ceux qui m'empoisonnent, l'alien, l'animal Obama, a prétendu qu'il était démocrate, mais il n'était pas. Il a prétendu être à la faculté de droit. Il n'était jamais là-bas. Il a prétendu avoir un diplôme, mais il ne respecte jamais sa propre constitution ni les lois. Donc, quelqu'un qui a fini ses études, quelqu'un qui a fini ses études en droit, normalement devrait respecter la loi. C'est ce qu'on appelle, Montesquieu appelait l'esprit des lois. L'esprit de loi, c'est-à-dire que tu étudies le droit, le spirit of law. So, tu étudies le droit, mais toute ta vie est dirigée par le droit et les valeurs de droit. C'est ça que ça devrait être. Voilà. Donc, mais rapidement, j'en appelle d'abord au Soudan. J'ai vu que il y a tout un désordre là-bas, un marché où seulement les belligérants, les militaires s'enrichissent et les populations ne reçoivent rien. In Sudan, all military get rich, but population civilian don't receive anything. Okay, I don't care. I don't care about the secret deal and the secret war. If you were a specialist in secret war and secret deal, you could win, because soon as you move, I put biomathematics, I fail you, even if you do it secret. How I know your program from the hospital in 11 August, you want to achieve me there. And we are not going to get, I told you that 9/11 is dangerous. September And the 11 is a dangerous, the month of September. C'est la rentrée, et ça, c'est là où les francs-maçons vont faire des dégâts. They kill people in America. I don't want to wait here until September. I don't want to wait till September. I'm not a Freemasonry criminal. I cannot be in the system that lead by criminal. I refuse that. I refuse to have a wife, mermaid and everything. I will set a free woman even if those date me, but I refuse the system of parrainage. Parrainage, you go to force marriage with a wife, and this wife will sponsor you, make parrainage in Freemasonry. Never do that. Never. I didn't give my consent. Dating man is a Freemasonry, that's to make a woman Freemason. Dating woman is a Freemasonry, that's to make a man Freemason. Same for the woman. So that's what you have to know. Quickly, donc soyez rassurés when you see me. Quickly, Gaza. Gaza again, je mobilise. Nous sommes trahis. Okay? We are betrayal, but someone, some people, some allies. Nous comprenons cela, mais on s'en fout. C'est eux qui seront dans le placard de l'histoire. Moi, j'ai déjà gagné. J'ai beaucoup de drapeaux dans le corps des nations. Ces drapeaux-là, Poutine ne peut pas les avoir parce que la Russie va vous dire, mais pourquoi tu portes le drapeau de tel pays? Dimitri Medvedev ne peut pas le faire. Tulsi Gabbard cannot take the flag for another country. Okay? Me, I have the flag from Vietnam, Senegal, Mali. I have the flag for Iran. They come to put me the flag of Palestine, Iran, Tibet, and other. I don't want to get in a story of no, he studied for United States. My story didn't start in the United States. I don't know if the story of Xi Jinping, because they pretend he studied in the United States, so the story started there. No, we built United States of America. Okay, we built that, my ancestor. The White House, when white is, it's the labor our ancestor, black. So we are the owner, even if in this house. That's why I can remove anyone. Trump betrayal us, we will remove him. But who bring back Democrat that mistreat black American? I don't know. I'm thinking about that. Okay, people, Africa. Why you rely only in mineral? You cannot develop other things. You rely only in mineral. You can block today all company of mineral, cancel all deal because you are suffering. Your people, they are killing your people. We cannot allow that. You cannot do the trade against the threat. You cannot do that. Okay? Even if King David didn't have a weapon like Goliath can head at you, but he took even if the small stone. But Africa how many stone do you have? Even if someone come with a missile, you go to cooperate again with your oppressor. Those come to fuck your wife, your daughter. The military of Gaza, military coalition, we have to hand the war from Russia and Ukraine. They know that they don't have any more. They don't have any more money. They know that. War, you have to fund it. And why fund this war in Gaza?